Today, we are going to learn something about algebraic expressions and identities. After completion of this video, you all will be known about terms used in the algebra, means constant, variable, term, factor, coefficient, like terms, unlike terms. And what is an expression? Types of expressions: monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, and operations of algebra, means additions. Let us see one by one. First, we will see about terms used in algebra. The first one is a constant. Constant itself refers to the quantity whose value cannot be changed. Quantity whose value cannot be changed. For example, if I take this symbol, everyone know this symbol, it is pi. The value of this is 22 by 7. The value of pi is 22 by 7, or you can write it as 3.14. Means wherever you find this, you can say that the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. You can't change this. So this is constant. And second one is a variable. The quantity whose value can be changed. The quantity whose value can be changed. And these variables are also called as literals. Literals are nothing but all your English alphabets which are in lowercase. They are called as literals. The next is a term. Term is a combination of a numeral with a literal, or alone a literal, or alone a numeral. Term is nothing but combination of a numeral with a literal. If I write 3x, see 3 into x, the meaning of here it is 3 into x. Combination of a numeral with a literal, or alone a literal, or alone a numeral is known as a term. Means 3x is a term. Even x is also a term. Even 3 is also a term. So what is term, children? Combination of numeral with a literal, or alone a literal, or alone a numeral is called a term. The next one is a factor. All the terms can be written as its product. Example, if I say 3x, the meaning of this is 3 into x. So, when you write the term as a product, then those are called as factors of that particular term. The next one is coefficient. Every term has a coefficient. See, for example, if I take this 3x, 3 is called as numerical coefficient. 3 is called as numerical coefficient. This 3 is numerical coefficient, or you'll simply call it as coefficient. If I ask you in x, what is the coefficient? See here, if you won't find any number in front of your literal, it is understood that it is 1. So what is the coefficient of this x? It is 1. Coefficient of x is 1. For example, if it is minus 4x square, what is the coefficient of minus 4x square? It is minus 4. Minus 4 is the coefficient of that term. The next one is like terms. You already learned about term. Like means same. So the terms which are having same literal are called as like terms. Terms which are having same literal are called as like terms. Means, see, 5a 7b minus 3a. If I write these as the terms, these are all terms. If I observe here, 5a and minus 3a, these two terms having same literal a, having same literal a. So these two terms are called as like terms. Don't see the coefficient, children. Only you need to observe the literal. So if the literals are same in your terms, then they are called as like terms. See, 5a and minus 3a. Okay, children. Now, unlike terms. Unlike means not same. Means the terms whose literals are not same are called as unlike terms. If you observe this itself, 5a, 7b. Here the literal is a and here the literal is b. So a and b are not same. So these two terms are called as unlike terms. These two terms are called as unlike terms. So you understood the difference between the like terms and unlike terms? Like terms is nothing but the terms which are having the same literal are called as like terms. The terms which are having different literals, means which are not same, they are called as unlike terms. These are the terms which you will use in algebra. Next, coming to an expression. Expression is nothing but combination of terms. Combination of terms using all the arithmetic operations. You all know what are arithmetic operations, children. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are all arithmetic operations. So, combination of terms using arithmetic operations. See, 4a plus 5b minus c. If I write this, here 4a is a term and 5b is also one term and c is also another term. I'm combining all these three terms using plus minus. So this is an expression. The combination of terms using operations is called as expression. Based on the number of terms present in your expression, based on the number of terms present in your expression, expressions are divided into monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Let us see one by one. Monomial. Monomial is nothing but the name itself is saying to you. Mono means single, means one. So the expression consists of one term. For example, if I write 5x square, This is a term, and if I take it as an expression, this is a monomial. Why? Because the expression is having only one term. So you can say that all terms are called as monomials. All terms are called as monomials. So 5x square is a monomial. Means the expression consists of only one term is called as monomial. The second one is a binomial. The expression consists of two terms. See, 5x square plus 3. If I write like this, see, 5x square is a term and 3 is also a term. So this expression is having how many terms? Two terms. One is 5x square and the other is 3. So the expression consists of two terms. Then it is called as a binomial. The expression having two terms is called as binomial. Next one is a trinomial. So you can say now the expression having three terms. The expression having three terms is called as a trinomial. If you observe here, 5x square plus 3 plus 4x. It is having how many terms? Three terms. 5x square is one term, 3 is another term, and 4x is another term. So, the expression having three terms is called as a trinomial. Next is a polynomial. Polynomial is nothing but the expression consists of three or more terms. Three or more terms. Then they are called as polynomials. If I write an expression like this, 5x square plus 3 plus 4x plus z minus y square, means if you observe this expression, it is having more than three terms. Such expressions are called as polynomials. Such expressions are called as polynomials. Till now, what all we completed, children? What are the terms used in algebra? Those are constant, literal means variable, term, factor, coefficient, like terms, unlike terms. And next we have seen what is an expression and the types of expressions. Is it clear, children, to you all? Now we'll go to the operations of algebra. You all know the fundamental operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here in this chapter, you will come across addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So, first, addition. We will see about addition of algebraic expressions. Let us take an example and solve it. For example, if I take 4x plus 3x. So, what is the addition of this? First, children, when you are adding or subtracting, you need to add or subtract only the like terms, not unlike terms. Only the like terms you need to add or subtract. When you are adding or subtracting, the first thing which you need to remember is you need to add only the like terms. Here, if you all observe here, it is 4x and 3x. These are like terms. These are like terms. So, what is 4x plus 3x? 4 plus 3 is 7, and what is the literal there? X. The value is 7x. This is adding a monomial to a monomial. 4x plus 3x. 4 plus 3 is 7x. In addition, you have two types. One is horizontal method and the other is vertical method. The method which I added now is called as horizontal method. Vertical method, it is nothing but you need to write one below the other. When you are writing itself, write the like literals one below the other. Add them. It is 7x. It is 7x. Let us take one more example to solve the addition. For example, if I take like this, 3x square plus 2x plus 5. This is one expression. You need to add this with 4x square plus 5. You need to add. Okay. So first I'll do it in vertical method and then in a horizontal method. Now, in vertical method, what I said, you need to write the like terms one below the other. So I'm first writing the first expression, 3x square plus 2x plus 5. Now what is our second expression? 4x square. So below x square term, I am writing 4x square. And this is only a literal. So plus 5. No x term is there. So I'm not writing x term. I need to add these. Okay. I already told you only the like term should be added. See here. 3 plus 4. 7. What is the literal there? X square. 7x square plus. Here it is only x term is only one term. So 2x plus nothing is there. Means it is 0. 2x plus 0 is 2x only. 2x. Next plus 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is your answer. So when you are adding, you need to add only the like terms. The same if I take in a horizontal way. First write all the like terms at one place. So you'll write like this, 3x square plus 2x plus 5 plus, I need to add the second expression, 4x square plus 5. So first write all like terms at one place. So here the first like term is x square term. So 3x square plus 4x square. Next plus x term now. So 2x. No x here. Another x here. Now the constant terms 5 plus 5. So 3x square plus 4x square is 7x square plus 2x plus 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is horizontal method of addition. I guess you're all clear with this.